Today I'm just going to take you through the process that I'm going through right now to set up a Phantom wallet on the Solana blockchain network. And I'm going to be doing that on my Brave browser. So this is in preparation for buying my very first NFT, non-fungible token, on the Solana network. So firstly, what is Solana? Well, it's a layer 1 blockchain. Ethereum was doing the job great, incredibly popular, however, a little bit slow and super freaking expensive. Now Sol, S-O-L, is the currency that sits on the Solana blockchain. All the links, by the way, are in the show notes if you want to read more about what Solana is and where it's going and how it works and all that sort of stuff, but I'm going to take you straight through to phantom.app/download. That's where you want to go, and you want to click on Brave browser or the browser that you're using. I'm using Brave today, so I'm going to go ahead and download that. And it gives us the option of just adding it as an extension, so I'm going to go ahead and add it to Brave. Now during the setup, it's going to ask us two options right off the bat here. Create a new wallet or use a secret recovery phrase. If you click on Create New Wallet, what's going to happen is that you're going to get this recovery phrase, which you need to write down, keep it secret, keep it safe. Never make a YouTube video on how to set it up like this and actually use the wallet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore another wallet that I have on another computer I'm no longer using. So I'm going to use the use secret recovery phrase. Understandably, I'm not going to be showing that on a YouTube video. When you're setting up a wallet, what you're doing is you're actually just using a decentralized application that sits on the Solana blockchain where your private keys are held. So when you want to interact with Solana or anything on the Solana network, you're going to be using that wallet and you'll need to connect that up to various places that you go to, much like opening up the doors to your bank account to wherever you go. Go ahead and create a password now. And this is quite a handy feature, so wherever you're at, if your wallet just disappears after you've been looking at it, all you do is Alt-Shift-P, pops up that Phantom wallet ready to go again. Now there is one more step that I'm going to suggest here. Again, on the top part here of the browser, I'm just going to select this puzzle icon here on the top right. And I'm going to pin that to the browser for easy access. So now I can see this little purple happy face here. Whenever I want to open up my Phantom wallet, I can just go to the top right hand side here and open it up by clicking on it. Now just one thing to point out here, if we wanted to, if there was no Solana in this wallet, what I could do is I could just copy on my address right here and go on over to Easy Crypto. Easy Crypto is New Zealand's probably most trusted marketplace for cryptocurrencies, where you can go to buy and sell crypto using New Zealand dollars. So I'll put a link in the show notes or the description if you want to click on that affiliate link. I'd appreciate it, and you can set up your very own crypto account. So if you don't have any Solana already, that's what you'd want to do. You'd copy the address here, and then you'd go to Easy Crypto, and you would put in, say, $300 Solana. Buy now. Pop in the address from your Phantom wallet here, and then go and buy that. Okay, now that my Phantom wallet is set up and I can see it there in the top right hand corner, wherever I go, if I want to go to other decentralized applications on the Solana blockchain, like where I am right now at Magic Eden, which is an NFT marketplace, I just need to connect my wallet up to it so that I can basically do business with that website. I'm going to go to the top right hand here and I'm going to connect my wallet, and then I'll be able to buy and sell using that. So there you go. From start to finish here, the first step that you need to do before you buy an NFT, a non-fungible token on the Solana network, is to download the Phantom wallet, get some Sol in there, either by going to Easy Crypto or another exchange, or by bringing it over from another wallet. You have to get some Sol in there, put it in your Phantom wallet, and then the last step is connect your wallet to wherever you're going to be doing business with. Here, I'm going to be going to Magic Eden as my next step. So if you want to watch my journey there, make sure that you subscribe to the channel on YouTube and look out for the video where Darcy buys his first NFT. Hope you enjoyed that, and make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.